I'm Elena Melnikova, working on Estonian Railway, and I'm responsible for purchasing the materials for Estonian Railway for the constructions. At the moment, we are near the bridge Pedja, which is not far away from Tartu and about 2 hours from Tallinn. And we are near the main railway, which is connecting Tartu and Tallinn.
We are here in the track, and this is the first installation of MFlex 9 together with the EPS. We install approximately 90 engineered polymer sleepers with the fastening systems of Foslo. The fastening systems is MFlex 9. This is a direct fixation in the track with the EPS sleepers. The requirements in the track are very challenging. We have 32 tons axle load here in the track.
For us, it's important to have the solution with the axle load 32 tons because it's somehow unique in Europe. Mainly the locomotives have the axle load about 22-25 tons. But here we had to find the material which could behave correctly with 32 tons pressure. So Foslo allows us to use this kind of material. This fastening should keep the geometry of railway, considering that we are increasing the speed till 160 kilometers per hour.
The Estonian Railways is looking for green innovations, and we as Foslo have some products which we can help them, and we want to support them.
The most what I'm proud of this project, that we receive a material which is recyclable. This is something new for Estonian Railway, that this material could be used from raw material which is plastic and also used in railway, and after that it could be recycled again and receive new cycles. And I'm very thankful to Foslo for this possibility. Estonia is very ecologically green-oriented country. So for us it's very important to have the best ecological solutions for our environment.
The relationship between Estonian Railway and Foslo is very good. We work together since 2008.
I appreciate the relationship between Foslo and Estonian Railway because I see the future in installing the modern materials which is produced by Foslo. Till this moment, we had a very successful cooperation with Foslo. I'm sure that all team of Estonian Rail could support me with these words, because we all the time receive the support and all the needful information and also all the needful solutions by Foslo. And I hope that we continue with the same successful cooperation.